Hey Venice, it's Jenny. I want to explain a courtesy service that we offer our clients, early bird drop-off and after-hours pickup. For after-hours pickup, you are able to review everything from your mobile device. We can send you your inspection results, and we can send you a text-to-pay option, just as you see here. Also for after hours, you might think, how am I going to get my keys if American Import Auto is closed for the evening? Well, you're in luck. Here is our lockbox right to the left of our door. What we do on our end is we simply send you a text message to your mobile device or give you a call, whichever you would prefer. You then receive the combination to one of the 4 lock boxes located to the left of our service door. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the text, we will specify which box it is in, and it'll be a 3-digit code. Here is an example of how it's done. Once inside your vehicle, our clients will have a copy of their invoice receipt inside of the service receipt folder, and our new clients will have a goodie bag waiting for them as well. You might even notice a promotion there for your next visit. Thanks for following along with American Import Auto. We hope you learned something new today. Thanks for listening.